Hey guys, it's me Harsh and welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. The one thing that I love to drink during this hot weather is cold coffee. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you my recipe of the perfect blended cold coffee. Let's get started. This process is a little bit lengthy, but I am sure that this will give you the perfect results every time. Make this and enjoy your summers by drinking this perfect cold coffee and let me know how it was. I will see you guys soon. Until then, keep baking and stay happy.